Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our part 2 of What's New in Creo 10. If you have any questions, please feel free to go on the question section and put your question there, and we can start. My name is Alexandru Teodorescu. I'm Senior Technical Specialist with PDS Vision. I have an experience more than 25 years in mechanical design, also 20 years plus in Creo, Pro Engineer how I was before, and 10 years plus as CAD administrator. PDS Vision is the first and remain the only PTC global resellers. And we do consulting, professional training, implement services, help desk, and the cloud solutions. And as you see, we are on 4 continents, and the location in North America, we have a location in Cleveland, Ohio, another one in Austin, Texas, and in Canada we have an office in Toronto, Ontario. We are strategic partner, of course, with PTC and others like Keyshot, Moldex 3D, eTrage, as you see on the screen. For today's agenda, I will go a little bit in the two-dimensional geometry in drawing. This was implemented in Creo 8. I don't know if too many of you know about this or not too much. I will show a little bit about that, a little bit about the model-based definition, just what is new in human factor Mannequin. A little bit we will touch GD&T Advisor, easy tolerance analyze, what's new in simulation and additive manufacturing. These are not only things which was enhanced by PTC, are other enhancement in the manufacturing part and also in the cabling. On the dimension on the two-dimensional geometry, now start with Creo 8, you can use really sketch in the drawing very easy. And in case for some schematic, electric schematic or pneumatic schematic, you use AutoCAD to do this. Now is not necessary to use it. You can use Creo, and I will show you. I did in Creo 8 is done this one. It's an electric schematic with different pages, and was done in Creo, and took me similar time as I did it in in AutoCAD. And what it's very good in what they did, you can select the lines, text, symbols, and create a view. And everything, it's when you start, you can start from 0, or as I said in the as AutoCAD, if you wait a little bit, you can see you can select where to start. After that, you can have a dimension, the same angle, what you go, if you want to be in the same, you see it's very, very fast and easy. Also, you can attach symbols to the to one line, and if you move the line, or this will be automatic move to the symbol with that. You have here in edit different translation and copy, rotation, just translate, which give you a lot of flexibility to use it and you can displace your AutoCAD sorry, the AutoCAD seats, because you can do the same thing in Creo. On model-based definition and detailing, they bring an enhancement. You can connect now the symbols to the dimension, or which you was not able before. And let's go a little bit on this, and I will create something very quick here, a revolve. Okay, I will not change right now the dimension to, I missed to create something very important. Okay, sorry. And now if we go and add notation and in the front, show dimensions. Okay. Let's choose just 2. Now if I can go attach, this was the same before. What is, we have the surface finish can be attached, you know. We can go on machining one, and we can attach it to the dimension or to the geometric tolerance. And also we can do the symbol. In order to do a symbol, the symbol need to have, because this symbol, for example, you can't put it because it's with a leader, you know. I need to, and but you can change this very quick in case was not designed initially for what you need. And you need to be free, set up as free also, and also to have a variable for to be able to scale it. And now if I go here back, I choose the one, and okay, and I can scale it to be more visible for what I need. And now I go to change, and because I add the free, I can do it to add to the to my dimension in MBD. This is the enhancement what they bring in the MBD side. The same, you can add the datum tolerance, which was there before in Creo 9. Let's go for the next subject on the Mannequin. They bring a few things on the Mannequin side. It's an easy access and a better visibility. What they start an improvement in Creo 9 when they come with the new enhancement and new features in visibility. And now in Creo 10, they add more, which in case you use the Mannequin will help you. And you will need to download from PTC website the Mannequin for Creo 10, and it's under the Creo 10 download. You will have the Mannequin for it. If you use an old one, you will not have, prior to Creo 9, you will not have all this. Or if you use the Creo 9, which you need to download from the PTC side, and it's under the Creo 9, the Mannequin. And Creo 10, it's again, I will repeat this, it's under the Creo 10 download. You will find this one, and you will need to configure your configuration to see to give the new folder where is the Creo 10 Mannequin. And one of the which we will show you is the reflection on the field analyze. Today, what you will need to create is a point where is the eye, you know, to gain contact. And you, as you know, if not, the new icon, it's on under the analyze. It's called visual field. You will see this if you use Creo 9 or Creo 10. And we will do to show you, it's a little bit changed the menu in Creo 10 and Creo 9, because now you have the reflection, and in Creo 9 you have only direct one. We select the cone. I will, the point, the eye point, I will show this what it's available in Creo 9, and in short now we will see what we will eliminate for obstruction. We have this one, and also we have here, and because here it's a glass, we will show, and you can change the length of the surface which is created by using a dimension, or you can go to a reference and you can choose how long to see. And as you see now, you can see exactly what is the field cone of the person would stay there, and you can analyze if it's enough or not very quickly. Now let's go on the reflection. Let's assemble to I create like a mirror, and let's assemble very quick. Okay, I will just drag it, and I will show you how quick you can do also the reflection. Let's fix it. I need to bring a little bit, sorry, a little bit high. Okay, for different reason, fix. And in order to have a reflection, you need to have a surface, not a solid. You need to create or copy a solid surface and create it as a surface. And also I add 2 axes. These 2 axes will allow us to change the position of the mirror without changing the physical mirror, which will reflect in case you want to to create this effect. Now we go and change in reflection. We go back and change, select our point, eye point, and now in the mirror we can select the surface, and you see again, you can see 100, 10 was too short, and now you can see the cone. And as I said, with the two axes, I can see and I can add rotation, and I can say I do here, and I will do, let's see, another 10 degrees. This was up minus 10 to go down if you don't, you see. And also if you want in the second direction and you go 5, if you don't like the direction, you just need to change. And you see very quick, you have the reflection. Now we can close these ones and we can continue. Other enhancements are in GD&T Advisor. As you see, are a lot. They extend the enhancement, which they start to do some enhancement in Creo 9. And let's do to see a little bit what it's in the Advisor 1 re-enhancement. What I see here, it's before, when you select the surface and you go to change. Before, this was not selected, was unselected automatic, and you need to go back to select the surface. Now, as you see, the surface are automatic bring in, and you don't need to reselect. And as you see, it's everything. It's, yeah, in Creo 9 also they bring this table here. Instead to have the abbreviations, they have the description of the material boundary. And because we are not visible, and as soon as we have, as you see, it's very quick and working in conjunction with the MBD. Now you can also, I need to move the mention, but only thing what you see here, you are not in the same plane as a front. When the GD advisor will put, you will need to go into the annotation. You can bring the dimension in the datum plane where you want to work, in this case the front, and you will have everything in the same plane to do. And also in the icon side, they bring a little bit more descriptive, you know, and probably easy for us to see. This we'll see if it's easy or not. On the easy tolerance, they bring a little bit in. They bring a lot other enhancement from Creo 9 to Creo 10, and as you see in the color, and they make a little bit transparencies. Improve the workflow. You can do undo and redo support in selection, which is good. What they bring in the one of the enhancement, it's you can link or unlink the name in from the Creo file name. You can really create a name for the analyze, and you can overwrite the existing one. And let's see, to do quickly to see, open. And okay, let's go here to hide and application. On the new stack up, we'll select quick, let's see, on front, notation plan on top. As you see here, the link we can broke, and now we can go and change it. Oh. I don't know why this time didn't work, but it's supposed to work. Yeah, I don't know why I have this issue right now. Oh, it's edit in the end. Sorry, I forgot. We'll keep the name, and you can add in the end. This is with exit tolerance, another enhancement which they bring into the now other enhancements in Creo 10 are on the simulate side. As you can see, in the simulate live, they come with upgrade ANSYS solver, which is the most current ANSYS technology, which give you a faster and more accurate solution. And this solver, it's applicable the same for Creo ANSYS or CSL. And all these ones are not in the basic package of Creo, are extensions, and if you need to purchase, you will need to purchase the extension. The Mannequin, it's in it's standard in all basic seats, but it's only for subscription. The people which are still or company which are still in perpetual, for the Mannequin, they piping, cabling, they need to have an extension in order to be able to have that that features. On CLS, we have new vector component and structural results would benefit powerful visualization option, expand results type, and on Creo ANSYS, we have new capabilities there. We have friction and rough surfaces you can choose on, and additional settings as formula. What others will detect contact by radius. Will give you a preview for all contact options, which is a good enhancement. As I say, for ANSYS, you will need a license for this extension. They create more powerful engine and robust for Creo ANSYS, and in Creo simulation simulate it's support now the multi-body, and in the flow analyze you have more result improvement in. On the additive manufacturing, we have new lattices for medical industries. It's in special because they request to have special lattices for what they are doing, and now you can create a lattice even if you will use a negative Poisson ratio. You can create easy high energy absorbent and fracture resistant metamaterials, which again it's a benefit for the ones which will use additive manufacturing. Yeah, as you see, are a lot of things new in Creo 10, and we cover just a little bit in this part 2 as we did in the part 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to put the questions. And yeah, for further information, my name is technical questions. You can send me an email. My name is Alexandru Teodorescu, and my email is ateodoresu@pdsvision.us. The domain US will change starting with next month, will be .com. But you can, and probably the name will be the first name dot the last, we'll see. But you can use this email and will be forwarded automatic to my new one starting with August. If you have any sales question, feel free to send an email to sales@pdsvision.us or visit us at pdsvision.com, and also our YouTube channels are available. And this record will be available starting tomorrow if you want to reuse. If you have any questions, I will wait a few more minutes to see. So far, I don't see any questions. And thank you very much for being in our part 2 was new in Creo 10 webinar. Thank you.